Hello everyone, welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because in this video, I'm going to share with you my Christmas ornament collection sent by you, the viewers, for 2022. This Christmas collection for ornaments, it is all the ornaments that you guys sent me last year to put together our viewer Christmas tree, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have in store. But in this video, I want to show you this Christmas ornament collection because I want you to see all of the items that I received. So it's going to be so much fun. I'm going to unpack them all. I'm going to store them later on, but I think this is going to be so much fun. And I just want to take a second to thank every single one of you that took the time to send an ornament. I'm going to read also a few of your letters that you send with your ornaments, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you are interested in my Christmas ornament collection for 2022, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing because you will not want to miss the Christmas 22 series coming very, very soon to this channel. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start this Christmas ornament collection for 2022 by unpacking this beautiful box that Diane sent. And she did send a little card. A few of you sent a card, a few of you did not, but she says, "Happy holidays to you and all of your followers. This ornament represents me as I came from the Dominican Republic, where we are known by beautiful paradise of beaches with white sand. Enjoy, Diane." So remember, when I asked you to send the ornaments, I also asked that one of the criteria that I would like for the ornament is to represent you guys. So Diane is from the Dominican Republic, and she says this represents her because of their white beaches and the white, oh sorry, the blue beaches and the white sand. So let's see what she sent. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is a beautiful ornament with a star in the inside of it and sand. That is absolutely gorgeous. And she sent a few that I'm super excited to put this Christmas tree together. This is, oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Also a see-through ornament with a shell and a piece of coral. So they are all like beach theme ornaments that she sent. Let's see what the third one is. Oh, the third one is a message in a bottle, and it's a tiny little message on a clear bottle, and then also sand and some shells and pearls inside of it. So as you guys can see, she sent a beautiful theme. Oh, I'm gonna put this on the bottom. A beautiful theme of a beach because it represents her as being from the Dominican Republic. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna put them back into the box because I will package them very carefully and then also put them on our Christmas tree. As I said, one of the criteria was that it was either a Santa Claus, because I collect Santa Clauses, or something that represented you as a viewer to put in my Christmas tree. And the idea is that because I don't have any children and I don't have any heirloom ornaments, and I wanted to show you how to put together a Christmas tree with ornaments that are gathered throughout the years, ornaments that your children or your grandchildren did. So I had this bright idea of having you guys send some ornaments to me so that I can put this Christmas tree together. And like I said, that's going to be the first Christmas tree in our series. All right, so this comes from Lori Scott, and she says, "Hi Ramon, it is so wonderful to be a part of your great Christmas ornament idea. You have given me so much awe-inspiring ideas for decorating, especially during Christmas time. You truly have a gift from God that you share with us. I love whimsical, so I hope you love this turtle ornament. Your loyal fan, Lori Scott from Arizona." That is so sweet, you guys. I'm so touched by just receiving this. It really puts a smile on my face because, well, I love you guys. And look how beautiful this turtle is. She is holding some packages, and I think that is the only one. So yeah, that's the only one, and I just think it is so cute. She has all of this glitter and a beautiful Santa hat as she is carrying some packages. I think it is adorable. So thank you, Lori. I'm gonna put this back into the box, and I'm gonna get ready to show you the next ornament. So far we have 4. I'm having so much fun. Let's see, I have this cute little box, and this was sent by Linda Wilson. She says, "Dear Ramon, enclosed, please find an ornament that I hope you can use. This ornament has the cardinal, this state bird of the great state of West Virginia. Not only does it represent my state, but it also represents me, as we have 6 bird feeders, 7 when adding one for the hummingbirds. Enjoy watching all of your birds, but especially the cardinals, since they are so colorful and beautiful. Indeed they are. Also, Christmas ornaments are a special part of my Christmases. I have gotten an ornament for my husband every year since we have been together. We will be getting this 3rd ornament this year. It has been quite fun trying to get something special each year for him. So I hope you like this ornament and enjoy it for many Christmases to come. All the best to you this Christmas and the upcoming New Year. Sincerely, Linda Wilson. Thank you, Linda, so much. She sends another note meaning about the cardinal. So let's see this cute little ornament. And as you guys can see, I've been saving all of the names and cards and scraps and all the things. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. This is a hand-painted see-through ornament, and it has a really beautiful red cardinal and a brown one perched on a Christmas branch with snow. It is so beautiful, and I think it is going to be perfect for our Christmas tree. So that is ornament number 3. This is so much fun, and I'll make sure that I put this paper right here with it. All right, so then I have this set of 2 ornaments, and this is from Stack of Book Ornament, Margaret, Great Eastern Missouri. So Margaret, thank you so much. This also, it's really cool. And I think he sent one for his mom and one for him. And it represents, one of them is for him. And I remember he said that he reads a lot. And then also this is for his mother, because his mother bakes a lot. So these are absolutely gorgeous glass ornaments, and they represent them, and they're going to be so beautiful in our Christmas tree. All right, so I'm gonna get the next ones ready, and I'll be right back with you. Keep watching. Okay, so I got the next two boxes, and I also had to go get my glasses because a man of a certain age, we kind of need them when we are reading smaller and cursive letter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this box right here, and I'm gonna start with this beautiful box, and I'm super excited to see. I don't remember what's in it. If you guys don't remember, we've already seen this ornaments. This is from Brooke Moore, and she sends a cute little card. Let's see what she says. Oh, there is a note, so let me put my glasses on. Don't mind me. It says, Dear Ramon, originally I wanted to follow your assignment and send a music ornament that represents me as a musician, but when I saw this ornament, it was so gorgeous how it sparkles and catches the light, and the star reminds me of you. La estrella más brillante de todo YouTube. Oh, that is so sweet. The brightest star on YouTube, she says. That is so cute. She says, gracias por ser tan maravilloso, Ramon. Que Dios te bendiga mucho. Besos y un abrazo. Brooke Moore. Thank you so much, Brooke. That is so sweet of you. I'm going to put this card right inside. And then let's see what she said. Oh, yeah, I remember now. Wow, isn't this just gorgeous? I'm gonna put this right here. Oh my God, it is a gold moon with some sparkles, some crystals in it with a little star dangling on it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Brooke. That's going in our Christmas tree this year, and I cannot wait to show you guys. That's gonna be so beautiful, because to me, a beautiful tree is a tree that is collected throughout the years. And you guys have definitely helped me achieve that look this year. Let's see. This one, I'm not sure who it's from, as of I don't have a card, but there is this stained glass angel, and there is 2. If I don't remember wrong, one is for me and one is for my grandma, the person that sent it. So I thank you. They're pretty heavy. They're stained glass in blue, and they are beautiful angels. They are handmade. So thank you so much for that. We're going to put that on the tree. And then there's other blown glass, a beautiful orb. Look how gorgeous this is. It is handmade by a local artist. So that's going to be another one we're gonna put on our tree. I feel like it's Christmas opening all these gifts, you guys. I'm having so much fun. Oh, and there's a sewing machine. How cute is this? This is from Barbara D. Mobley from Blueville, Tennessee. How cute is that, you guys? A beautiful sewing machine. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, there's this one. Let me not forget this one right here. This is a Nashville, Tennessee skyline. And if I'm not forgetting wrong, it's the same person that sent the sewing machine from Tennessee. And then here is, let's see, what's this one? Oh yeah, this is really pretty. This is a beautiful Santa face. I love Santas, you guys. Santa is like very indicative of Christmas, and I have a lot of Santas already, so this is gonna be so much fun putting on that Christmas tree with all of your ornaments. So that's gonna be so much fun. So that's all of that on that box. I'm gonna move that box over here, and I'm gonna bring this one. And this one is, if I'm not forgetting, this came from Patricia DeWitt from, this came from abroad, from Belgium. Isn't that amazing? A Belgian box made it all the way to San Diego, California, thanks to YouTube. She sends this really pretty card, and she just says Patricia and Guy, and it's in whatever their language is, which I don't speak. Jameson does, but he's not here to translate right now. So, all right, let's see what's inside. All right, I remember she sent a whole bunch of her own personal ornaments. Well, first of all, here's this tiny little angel that is so cute. It's hand-blown angel. That is so cute. I'm gonna put this one over here to the side. But these are the ornaments that Patricia sent, and if I'm not mistaken, she just sent a whole bunch of ornaments from her own personal collection. This is a vintage silver orb, and I love the fact that it still has some thread, that I'm sure that's what she used to attach it to her Christmas tree. So that's so sweet. It is about the little details, you guys. You know, when you collect whatever it is that you collect, it's all those little details that make it really homey. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. It is just a clear ornament, and it has a bow detail that is this rhinestone. And if you guys can see, if you put these two together, the rhinestones and the orb really just picks up. And then she also sent this one, which if I'm not mistaken, it's a pink one. Yeah, this is so beautiful because it's hand embroidered. It's like a piece of lace that is glued to the ornament, and it is so pretty. And as you guys can see, if you put these three ornaments together, it really just ties it all together, and it's a theme. And I love it because they're all hand done, hand blown, and they came all the way from Belgium, which I am mind blown by the fact that somebody from Belgium would send us an ornament all the way to San Diego, California. And then there's this other one right here, which I thought it was so sweet. It's just a hand glass with a lot of beads or pearls in it. It is so beautiful. So all of these ornaments put together, they're very special, and I'm going to cherish them for a long, long time to come. All right, so that's all in this box. I'm gonna move them along and bring out a few more, and I'll show you, so stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm back with our last bit of this haul, and this is going to be part one of my Christmas ornament collection for 2022, sent by you, the viewers. And there's going to be a part two because there's just so many, but I do want you guys to see them all, and especially because I want to thank every single one of you that took a minute to send an ornament for our Christmas tree for the viewers. And if you do want to send your ornament, be sure to send me an email. I'm gonna leave an email in the description box below, and you guys, I'm actually put it right here also, so you guys can go ahead and send an email, so I can send you an address where you want to send that ornament. All right, so let's see. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This comes from Andrea Steve. If I don't remember wrong, there's a story behind this, and she worked for Mackenzie Childs, and this is a Mackenzie Childs ornament. and it is absolutely stunning. It's this Santa, a Mackenzie Child Santa, that has a wreath, and it's just the workmanship of this ornament is just absolutely exquisite. All the glitter and all of the details with this Santa with the Mackenzie Child print, it is just absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much, Andrea or Andrea, I would say Andrea, for this beautiful Santa. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to put in our Christmas tree. All right, so let's open up this right here. There's a note, so let me put my old men's glasses on, my new set of eyes. This comes from Pat Leslie from Augustine. Dear Ramon, I am originally from Maryland, Hollywood. Other states claim to serve blue craft cakes. Believe me, I've never been anywhere that has served me a true Maryland crab cake. Enjoy opening all of your gifts every day during the holiday season. I love watching you create beautiful things. Sincerely, Pat. Thank you so much, Pat. So apparently they're known for the blue crab cakes. So let's see, I don't remember this one. Let's see, here's the address. Chuk. I'm gonna put it on the bottom right here. Oh, wow, yeah, I remember now. Whoa, this is so cool, you guys. Look at this massive, massive ornament. Oh, it lights up too if you take this little thing out. Oh, wow. How cool is that? So there is a light. There's also a blue crab right here and a pearl. And there's also this right here so you can attach it to your tree. And of course it's lit up. It is so cool. Thank you so much, Pat. You know, one of these days I'm gonna make my way there just so that I can have a blue crab cake. That sounds so good. I love seafood. If you know me, you know I love me some seafood. All right, so let's see. This comes from Mary Williams, and I'm super excited to open this. Oh yeah, I remember this cute little ornament. This is so precious. It is a grandmother and her grandchild. How sweet is this, you guys? It's like Mrs. Santa and a little child elf building toys. Thank you so much. I love, love, love this ornament, and I think it's going to be perfect for our Christmas tree this year. All right, I'm running out of space over here. Hang on, I don't think I need my glasses anymore, so I'm gonna take them off. Oh, I think I do. There's a card right here. Yep, I think I'm gonna put them back on so we can open this ornament. Wishing you Thanksgiving and blessings. Let's see. Oh, it's cursive. I just wanted to find this sweet ornament. Well, it's hard to read. But thank you so much. I had all of these hard ones to read. Have Jameson read them for me because I don't know how to read cursive, you guys. We were just not taught in school back in my day. All right, but let's open her ornament. And it is an owl, and it also lights up. A lot of ones that light up. Look how cute that is. It's a cute little owl, some Christmas trees, and it lights up in the inside. And I think it's perfect for our tree. So, well, that's all the ones I'm gonna show you today because there was so many that we had to go through. There's going to be a part 2 coming up as the holidays get close. I cannot wait for you guys to see the Christmas tree that I am planning on my head, adding all of these beautiful ornament collections that you guys have sent graciously to this channel so that I can show you how to put a beautiful Christmas tree for 2022 with all collected ornaments. So if you are interested, be sure to stay tuned for that video as the holidays and the holiday season come close. Be sure to check out part 2 that I'm going to link down below for in the future. You can check out both of them. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let them know what we're doing here at Ramon at Home. As the holiday season gets closer, they will not want to miss what we're planning for this year's Christmas 2022. Thank you guys so much for watching. Consider subscribing and you can watch more videos right now. Until next time, bye.